I'm going to show you the vocabulary feature of Read and Write Gold. This tool is an easy way to create vocabulary lists that include definitions and pictures. When you first open your Read and Write Gold toolbar, what you'll want to be sure to do is change it to the All Features toolbar. To do this, click the drop-down arrow next to the blue Text Help button, go to Current Toolbar, and click All Features. Right now the vocabulary feature isn't listed here, but if we click this double arrow and scroll down, we can grab it. This is just a simple input tool. All you have to do is type in the words that you want added to your vocabulary list. I'm going to use the example of fruits for my vocabulary list. You could hear a slight ding from Read and Write Gold. That was just telling me that, hey, your word's spelled correctly, so I'm going to add it to your list. It won't let you add a word if it doesn't have a dictionary definition for it, or if it isn't spelled correctly. When you're done with that, you have all the words you want added to your vocabulary list. You can add a title or a subject to your vocabulary list. So I'm going to type in fruits. It's automatically checked to include images. You can take that off if you don't want your students to have the images. If everything looks good, you can click OK. Read and Write Gold is going to open a Word document and put all of your words into a nice table with the definition, the symbol, and room for notes. You can see that each row is color-coded, so it's easy to see the difference between the words. And what's nice about this being a Word document is if you don't like the definition that Read and Write Gold came up with, for example, kiwi, you don't really want the kiwi bird in there if you're working on fruits, you can easily type in there and change it. Simple as that to change the definition. You can also click on a picture and remove it if you don't need it. Just like that. So once you have everything in place, you can save this as a document to wherever you need to save it to and print it off or send it to students. So that's an easy way to create vocabulary lists using Read and Write Gold.